Hello, Caden. Caden, oh, I want to come in. What work you guys? Me? A doorbell.
Oh, it's a video doorbell. No cords, no worries. Cool.
Never miss another superhero at your door.
Smart home video doorbell. Oh, that's a nice fit. So we mount that, and then this just slides right into place, and I think we screwed into there. This is our chime. And then some special tools to get the job done. So we got the screws and the mollies in order to put it in the wall. We're gonna go ahead and get the app going. So Mel's gonna do a scan on that one. And we'll be back once we've got it set up. Before I install it, it says remove before first use, so as I'm looking under here, we have rechargeable batteries, and I noticed at the bottom we have that USB port, so you can charge this if the batteries get low. It pops right out, so you can bring it inside to charge. You can even, if you have an extension, you can charge it outside, or you could even hook it up right here. You can run your charging cords right there, so when it pops into place, it hits those two terminals and you don't ever have to worry about it. So you can see whoever walks up the walkway. You want it right here? A little higher? Where do you want it? Should we put it on the same height as the other one?
Yeah.
Right about here?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, that's about centered. Now, nobody can take it. Now we're going to connect it. We need to press the bell button. Alright, so we have to reset the device. And the reset is right there. Resetting. Time to pair it using the QR code that it's going to display. Right. So it found that it connected it.
Hello?
This is your Can Coda come out and play?
Sure.
Colton, Superman's here. You want to go play? He'll be right out.
This is Superman. Can Coda come out and play?
We will find a more permanent place for the Chime 5 that goes to it. All right, Colton, hit it. But it works, so it's very easy. Plug in power, press the reset button, and then it works. So if you're home, you can just listen for that. If you're out, you can use the app.
So I've always wanted one of these ever since we moved here. There's neighborhood kids that come all the time to get the boys out, and you never know when they're coming. So now, thanks to this, we will not miss any of their friends. It's got a intercom so we can talk to them from inside. The app is very user-friendly and it alerts you when someone rings a bell, and it's like a phone call, so you can actually answer it and like talk to the person outside. It has night vision, it has motion detection, and there's even a little doorbell that you put inside your house so you can hear it ring. And I think overall it's really easy to use and a great product, especially if you have kids that are coming over or just visitors in general. So if you want this product, click on the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching.